So very good morning to class 7 student of St. Paul High School. So in this video we'll be talking about Africa type region, Nile Basin and Sahara. So the Nile Basin is the Nile is the longest river in the world. Okay. The world's longest river is the Nile Valley. It's situated in the eastern fringe of Sahara Desert. So the Nile Basin acts as the doorway between Africa and Asia, with access very fertile land where the world's oldest civilization, with a record history of 5,000 years, flourished. It abounds in ancient wonders such as pyramids, the Sphinx, the temples, and the other work of art and sculptures. Location and size. The Nile Basin is located in the eastern Africa. The basin includes the part of Tanzania, Zaire, Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, Ethiopia, Sudan, and Egypt. These are the major cities and major places. Okay. The basin is about 6,650 km long and about 3 to 25 km wide. It is a great basin in eastern Africa with an area of about 35 lakh square kilometer, which is larger than our country India, and covers about 10% land of the continent. More than 75% of the total area of the Nile Basin lies in Egypt and Sudan. The Nile River and its course. The Nile is the longest river in the world with a length of 6,690 km. The Kagera River, originating of the Burundi highlands of Tanzania and falling into the Lake Victoria, is believed to be the source of Nile River. The Lake Victoria is the neighboring Lake Mobatu and the Lake Idi Amin Dada, and the large marsh serve as a great natural reservoir of the Nile. It is a source region. It is located in the equatorial region. This equatorial highlands receive heavy rains. The heavy rain in its source areas provide the Nile enough water to flow across the largest hot desert of the world. From Lake Victoria, two rivers come out as a Bahr el Ghazal and Bahr el Jebel from White Nile. The second largest tributary of the Nile is Blue Nile, meets the White Nile near Khartoum to form the Nile. So this like this Nile has been formed. Okay, these are tributaries from where the Nile is actually forming. Okay. After that, further 300 km down, the Aberata River, the third largest tributary, made the Nile. Thereafter, the river takes the name Nile and flow down with a length of about 2,500 km without receiving any notable tributary. Before the river Nile falls into the Mediterranean Sea, it splits into a number of channels. These channels are called the distributaries. The two important distributaries, namely the Roseto River and the Demeter River, form a triangular shaped delta near Cairo, its capital of Egypt, that is Cairo. Physiography of the Nile Basin. The Nile Basin is characterized by varied landscapes. On its upper course of the Nile River highlands, lakes and rift valleys form the physical features. This area are lying Ethiopian highland. The middle course of the Nile is a lowland with swamps and marshes. Some of its parts is locally known as Sud. Arabic word Sud means obstruction or obstacle or blockage. Sud means what? Obstruction, obstacle or blockage. Great masses of swamp vegetation float in these sections and form the obstructions. Hence, here is the flattest portion of the Nile course. Finally, the Nile splits into number of tributaries and form a delta, 25,000 square kilometer, which is quite fertile. Okay, delta is formed in the lower course of the river, where the river actually is about to meet the end. So, climate and natural vegetation. This is also a very important topic. The Nile Basin experiences different types of climate, such as equatorial type prevails in the upper basin. It experiences high temperature and high rainfall throughout the year. Evergreen forest grew here. Savanna type of climate lies in the middle course. It is a hot and moist summer and mild and dry winter. Deciduous trees and savanna grasses are found here. Very long grasses are found here. Okay. In the eastern part of the region lies hot desert type of climate. It is very rainy also and it is very hot also because of its geographical condition, as it is very near to the equator. Okay. In the eastern part of the region lies hot desert type of climate. Cactus and date palm, khajur, that is basically, are found scattered here and there. The Mediterranean type of climate appear in the delta region. The olive, citrus, coke, oak plants are grown because of heavy monsoon rain in the Ethiopian highlands. Flood occur in the lower Nile basin and delta region. The flood about 100% per square kilometer. The people follow the tenets of Islam. Okay, the major portion of the people that are living in the Cairo are basically follow the religion Islam. Okay, town and cities. Cairo is the capital of Egypt and is the largest city of Africa. It is also the world's largest desert city. Alexandria is the chief port of Egypt. Port Said is a fig business center. Khartoum is the capital of Sudan, and Umurum is the sister city of Khartoum. Okay. After this, the Sahara Desert. Okay. You see, about 1/3 of Africa is a desert. A desert is any barren land that has less than 25 centimeter of annual rainfall. Desert is basically an area which receives a very little rainfall, and that very little is basically 25 millimeter or less. Okay, the Sahara is the largest desert in the world, which lies in the northern Africa. It is called the dry world. The human population in this region is very sparse. In the Sahara Desert, people are living. ऐसा नहीं वहाँ आदमी नहीं रहते, humans नहीं रहते, humans रहते हैं पर बहुत कम है वहाँ पर, because of the adverse climatic condition, and it is because in desert the presence of water is also very very less, and because of that only the population of human are also very very less in the desert. That is basically the Sahara Desert. Okay, location and size. The Sahara Desert, which is the longest desert of the world, lies in the northern Africa. It covers parts of Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Mali, Niger, Chad, Morocco, Tunisia, and Mauritania. The Sahara Desert occupies about 90,65,000 square kilometers of land area in Africa. The Sahara Desert area is like this: 90,065 lakhs. Okay, 65,000. The desert is larger than the United States in area and more than 2.5 times of the size of India. The desert extends right across the continent from Atlantic Ocean to the Red Sea of a distance of about 5,500 kilometers. The average width of the desert is about 1,600 kilometers from north to south. The desert is also continued further east by the Arabian Desert. The Sahara Desert extends right across the entire continent, unlike the other tropical deserts which are limited to the western margin of the continents only. So physical features. So the desert condition of Sahara were widespread some 231 million years ago during the Triassic period. There is a Jurassic period. Before the Jurassic period, the Sahara Desert is formed by sand dunes, pebbles, boulders, and rare rocky lands. The Sahara Desert have three distinctive landforms: Irs, Rex, Hamada, Wadis, Gulis, and Oasis. Okay. Now what are Irs? The sandy zone in the Sahara is locally Irs. Sand dunes occupy only a small part of the world's largest desert, Sahara. The great expanse of these dunes is known as Irs. You have seen sand dunes. रेत का टीला देखा होगा आपने, उसे कह रहे हैं यहाँ पर Irs. उसके बाद Rex है. Some part of the Sahara covers by pebbles and boulders. The type of topology is known as Reg in Algeria and Ser in Libya. रिग बोलते हैं वो कवर, जब वो लैंड मास कवर होता है पेबल्स आर बेसिकली वेरी स्मॉल रॉक्स एंड बोल्डर्स बिग साइज रॉक्स. अगर लैंड फॉर्म्स है, इससे ऐसा लैंड फॉर्म जो आपको देखने को मिलता है तो उस लैंड फॉर्म को कहते हैं रिग्स. उसके बाद है हमडा. दिस टाइप ऑफ लैंडस्केप इज रॉकी एंड स्कैटर्ड विद रॉक, स्टोन्स एंड पेबल्स. हियर द लैंडस्केप इज रॉकी, पथरीला होगा और रॉक्स होंगे बहुत सारे और स्टोन्स भी होंगे और पेबल्स भी होंगे. द अल्टरनेट हीट एंड cold causes rocks to break down because of uneven of heat and hot, because you see desert are basically very warmer in the daytime एंड वेरी कोल्ड ऑल्सो एट द नाइट टाइम। डेजर्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है सुबह, और जैसे ही शाम हो जाती है, जैसे सूरज ढल जाता है, उसके बाद वहाँ डेजर्ट में क्या हो जाता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा भी हो जाता है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रॉक सब में क्रैक्स हो जाते हैं और वो रॉक टूटने लगते हैं। सो ऐसे लैंड फॉर्म्स अगर फॉर्म होंगे तो उसे हमारा कहते हैं वादी। वादी इज अरेबिक वर्ड ऑफ रेविन और वैली। वैली की बात करें विच इज यूजुअली ड्राई। सेवरल वादीज इन द नॉर्थन वेस्टर्न Sahara are fed by the rain and snow that fall near the Atlas mountain. वादी भी देखने को मिलती है, वैलीज भी देखने को मिलती हैं अफ्रीका में जहाँ पानी ज़्यादा होता है, पर वो वैली में पानी नहीं रहता है। जनरली वैली में पानी रहता है, पर ये वैली वैसे वैली है जिसमें पानी नहीं है। ग्यूलिस, डीप ग्यूलिस आर ऑल्सो कॉमन इन सम एरियाज। उसके बाद ओएसिस, द इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेसेस इन सहारा आर द ओएसिस। दे आर फॉर्म्ड एट द प्लेस विच हैव springs, wells, or a stream of stream in a wadi or a river. They occur here and there to form a lifeline of the desert. Amidst the dry, sandy, or the rocky desert, hundreds of oases are scattered throughout the Sahara. They are green and fertile spots in the arid desert land. Some oases are larger and packed with people. Town and even cities have grown up in the oases. Some other oases are tiny, sporting only a few families. Topologically, the Sahara is almost a plateau desert. Average altitude of this plateau is about 300 meters. The plateau desert slopes towards north and west. Some places are covered by small volcanic mountain ranges. Among them, Hagar, pronounced Hogar, mountain of Algeria and Thebisia, Massif in Libya, and Chand. Air mountains are important. They are lying in the middle of Sahara. The Emi Kosu volcano in the Thebesi's region in Chand reaches 3,415 kilometers, the highest point in the Sahara. That is the highest point in the Sahara, the Thebesi's range. Okay, Chand. There are certain parts of the Sahara that stand below sea level, many of them filled with salt water created lakes such as Chot Meleri in Algeria. Some lake surfaces lie 18 meters below sea levels like Chand, and the only freshwater lake which is lying on the border land of the Sahara. Okay, so this is all for today. In the upcoming video we will be talking about climate of Sahara desert, natural vegetations, and the people and their economic activities. Thank you.